My name is Russell George and I'm the Assembly Member for Montgomeryshire. Before I entered political life, I was a businessman in Newtown and I still have a retail shop in the town centre. I was also actively involved in lots of organisations like Coleg Powys, Fair Havrin and Hope Community Church, of which I'm still involved with today. Before becoming an Assembly Member, I was involved in local politics, firstly as a town councillor and then as a Powys County councillor. The reason why I got involved in local politics was initially out of my frustration. I could see local government services reducing in my area and I wanted to do something about it. I stood to become an Assembly Member because I felt all too often past Assembly governments have neglected Mid Wales and I believed we needed a much louder voice to represent our interests. In representing Montgomeryshire, I have to cover one of the largest geographical constituencies in Wales, from Lake Vyrnwy in the north up to the south of Newtown and from Churchstoke in the east to Machynlleth in the west. I have two community offices, one in Newtown and one in Welshpool, but I like to get around the constituency and hold regular surgeries. I also have a website, russellgeorge.com, and I use this and other social media to keep in touch with my constituents. If constituents do want to contact me, they can do so by emailing me at russell.george@wales.gov.uk. My priorities for Montgomeryshire are health, improving local provision and cross-border cooperation, transport. Good transport links are vital for the local economy and that's why we need a Newtown bypass completed as soon as possible. Education, we need strong local schools fit for the 21st century. And wind farms, this is a real source of local concern and I believe it is important to support renewable energy, but I want this Assembly Government to support a much wider range of technology like tidal and solar. As your AM, the only promise I can make to you is that I will do my very best to represent the people of Montgomeryshire.
The National Assembly for Wales is the democratically elected body that represents the interests of Wales and its people, makes laws for Wales and holds the Welsh Government to account. For more information and to find out who represents you, go to assemblywales.org or follow us on Facebook and Twitter.